you have a cat, then you may want to try planting some of these cat-friendly plants. Cats love them. Cats chomp on certain plants for nutrients, fiber, and kitty thrills. Cat grass is great for winter containers, and cats nibble on the grass for nutrition, as a natural laxative, or to soothe the stomach, but expect some post-nibble spit-ups. Catnip is a natural cat stimulant that makes cats act crazy, silly, or sleepy. Catnip can be planted in sunny spots indoors or outdoors. Cats react to catmint much like catnip, but this plant is prettier as a garden plant with its violet blue flowers. Spider plant is an easy-to-grow, non-toxic houseplant that's chewed upon by cats much like cat grass. The pretty summer herb valerian attracts cats much like catnip. They'll nibble on the flowers and the leaves in summer. Silver vine is a large woody vine, and studies show that 80% of domestic cats have a euphoric response to its edible fruits. That's even higher than catnip. Stay safe. Choose a quality soil approved for organic gardening, like Black Gold Natural and Organic Potting Mix, when planting up your cat plants. Lots of plants are dangerous to cats. To learn more, check out the ASPCA's Poisonous Plants list. Happy cat planting!